Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Horilla. So in this video, let's see how we can create a work type request. So in Horilla, employees can request a change to their work type for a specific period of time using the work type request feature. So the request will be updated automatically when the period ends, and an administrator or manager must approve the request before the employee's work type is changed on the requested day. So let's see how we can manage that. So let's go to the profile under the employee over here. So let's go to employee profile, and in the employee profile we can view different details of the employee such as their about, work type and shift, their attendance, leave, payroll, etc. So under the work type and shift tab we can view the current shift, that is the night shift, and we can also create a reallocate shift request, and then we have the work type request, the rotating work type shift request, and the rotating shift. So to create a new work type request, we can go to work type request over here, and under the work type request, we can view the work type request that was created by this employee earlier. And to create a new request, we have to click on this add icon over here, and we have to fill out this form and save this request to create a new work type request. So here we can see that the employee name has been auto-filled, and we have to give the requesting work type, that is, let's give the work from office when work from home. So the employee is requesting for a work from home for 2 days. So this is the requested date, and we can give the requested till date, and then we have an option field to add a description. So let's give a description, and this is a permanent request. That is, if the employee is asking for a request to change his request to work from home permanently, he can just on this toggle over here. This is a permanent request. So then we can save this request. So we can see that the work type request has been added. So here the work type request has been added, and so if the admin approves this request, request will be approved and the employee can take work from home. So this is how we can create a work type request in Horilla. Hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.